Is your Windows 11 showing a blue screen when idle? Then you are at the right place as we have the solutions for you to fix this issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. A sudden blue screen on the computer screen, starting with your PC, running into a problem, and needing to restart an error message can be common on Windows computers. Also referred to as the blue screen of death or stop errors, a sad face characterizes them, and the screen displays an error code or message. These blue screens can occur randomly and are known to happen when your system is idle. Effective troubleshooting of this error involves a detailed study of the error message and the potential causes. Let's get started. Method 1. Resolve power management issues. These steps can be followed to address and resolve power management issues in pursuit of a solution for the blue screen error or BSOD. Change the power settings. Reverting to the default power plan or choosing to balance system performance and energy consumption can effectively resolve the error discussed. Follow this guide to learn how to balance the system's performance. Change USB selective suspend settings. USB selective suspend refers to the temporary suspension of power connection for a particular USB port that has been inactive for a while, thereby saving power. However, on the flip side, this could occasionally lead to a device conflict, resulting in the blue screen error. To eliminate the possibility of the BSOD error, follow this guide to disable USB selective suspend and Z. Check the power settings from BIOS or UEFI. Checking the power settings recorded in the BIOS or UEFI can also be an effective troubleshooting measure for the BSOD issue. Since the interface and option names vary by manufacturer, it is advised to refer to the relevant motherboard manual and follow the same. Restoring the default setting of the BIOS or UEFI can also serve as a remedial measure. You can follow this guide to do that. Method 2. Resolve hardware issues. Faulty or malfunctioning hardware can also contribute abundantly to the cause of the BSOD error. So, you can reseat the hardware components. Dislodging of hardware components can be expected if the system is moved or transported. Hence, reseating the hardware components, if necessary, can be opted for as a remedial measure. Faulty memory. A faulty temporary memory or RAM can also cause the blue screen error. Hence, third-party memory testing applications like memtest86 available online can be used to check the health of the concerned hardware. Method 3. Fix faulty device drivers. Since the user is unaware of the exact device driver that might be causing the error, the below-mentioned steps can be adopted to nullify the effects of device driver malfunction. Update device drivers. You can follow this guide to update the drive and see if that helps to fix the issue. This post will show you to find which driver is causing the blue screen. Roll back the recently installed drivers. At times, the onset of the blue screen error might occur just after installing a specific device driver. In such cases, a rollback of the concerned device driver can help resolve the issue. Identify the recently updated driver and then open Device Manager using Windows Search. Locate the device in the Device Manager, right-click and select the Properties menu. If the driver update is recent, the rollback driver will be available. Use that. Check if the issue is resolved. You can follow this guide to learn about rollback drivers in detail. System Restore. If this doesn't work, you can use System Restore following this guide to go back to a date when everything worked fine. It will also restore the old driver, resolving the issue. Method 4. Address overheating issues. Now, you need to perform some checks that can help if the error occurs due to improper airflow or ventilation. Check the temperature of the hardware components. The temperature of the hardware components can be tracked using third-party software like HW Monitor, available online for free. High temperature readings of 90 degrees for the CPU and nearing the threshold for the GPU would indicate overheating. Physical cleaning of the system. Dust accumulated on the CPU or the hardware components inside can block airflow, causing heat retention. Hence, physical cleansing can help facilitate seamless airflow. Disable CPU overclocking. Changing the voltage settings of the hardware components to their default ones and disabling the CPU and GPU overclocking can also help lower the overall heat emanating from the hardware components, thereby contributing to the resolution. However, the steps should ideally be performed under the supervision of an expert. You can follow this guide to know more about CPU and GPU overclocking. Method 5. Other troubleshooting suggestions. Now, here are some troubleshooting methods that can also help you fix the issue of Windows 11 blue screen. Troubleshoot in clean boot state. Since application software can also be responsible for conflict in the system, resulting in errors, these remedies can be tried out for a possible resolution. This can be done in a clean boot state, where the OS will run with minimal drivers, helping narrow down potential software or background processes causing the conflict. Windows Update OS. To update Windows OS, type Windows Update in the search bar on the desktop and click on the Check for Updates option in the search result. Uninstall or disable dubious software. To uninstall or disable dubious software, go to Settings by pressing Windows plus I keys. Then select Apps next to Installed Apps. Search for the app and click on the three-dot menu next to it. Select the Uninstall option and follow the on-screen prompts to finish the uninstallation process. Disable unfamiliar background processes. Open the Task Manager using Windows Search. Look for any dubious process. If found, right-click on the same and select the End Task option. Run virus and malware scans. The next thing you can do is run a virus or malware scan. Malicious software can also contribute to the error. Hence, scanning the system can help ascertain and resolve the problem. So scan your system and see if this could fix the issue. Method 6. Check the system logs and memory dumps. On every instance of the error occurrence, Windows records the details of the activities performed along with corresponding results and stores them as system dumps. Analyzing these log files can provide helpful and direct insight into the cause of the errors. Check the Event Viewer. Press Windows plus R keys to launch the Run utility. Type event.wr.msc in the Run command box to open the Event Viewer. In the Event Viewer window, select Windows Logs and then System and check for any error around the same time as the blue screen error occurrence. Set the log file or mini dump. To set up the mini dump file, right-click on this PC. Then click on Properties. Then the Advanced System Settings. In the Startup and Recovery section, click on Settings. Select the Small Memory Dump option under the Right Debugging Information drop-down list and note the dump file's default location. Analyze the mini dump using third-party software. You can use free crash dump analyzer software like Blue Screen View on your computer. This free utility helps you provide all the information regarding the BSOD, including the driver's name responsible for the error. It can be used to analyze the mini dump to identify the exact cause of the issue. The scope of the blue screen error or BSOD extends across the hardware and software realm. However, methodical evaluation and troubleshooting, as mentioned above, can help identify the problem's exact cause and eventual resolution. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.